Hello my friends, I am Anouar from the Become Engineer Academy. In this video we will make the foundation of our app. So as we say in the previous video, we made a package called sign in, and inside it we have added a sign in page dot dart. So in this video we will add our sign in page. First thing, we'll create a sign in class as a stateless widget. So as we already say, we need just to type stl and click enter. What we need now is just to give it a name, sign in class. Because it's a name of a class, the first letter of our class must be in capitalized. So here I will just remove this, I don't need it, but if I keep it, so there is no problem. Now as we have created our class, so before we add any more code, just remember to actually add it to our root widget. So we will go back to main.dart and replace container. So we will go to our main.dart and we will replace our container, which is here, by an instance of our sign in page class. So sign in page class. So I will say just, I think, sign in class, sign in page. Here we need to import this file, so we can just click here, and as we see, there is no problem. So let's delete the color. Here, as we say, always we have some errors that will be solved in next steps. So you will notice that the compiler is not happy because we need to import, as we say here. I will just say the import file, time tracker, clone, sign in page dot dart. So the import is good. Now we will continue. So since we are going to present a natural page, we can use some useful UI elements that come with scaffold widget. So we will add a scaffold widget. So in our sign in page, we will not return a container but a scaffold widget. Scaffold, like that. Scaffold widget. As we say, there still only one error, so let's delete this line. As you say, there are no errors here. If I hot reload, I see the same result. In our scaffold widget, we will give it an app bar property, so with app bar class, and in this app bar we will give it a title, which is a text with time tracker app, for example. Let's hard reload, and as you see here we can see now time tracker up. So here I will here if you remember that when we have changed the blue color nothing has been happened, but now if I change it to red I will see that the color here is red. Here there is another property class which is color without s, but we add here we add here parentheses and we can write 0x and of value, for example something like that. As we say, there is the color here. If we choose this and we try to reload, hot reload, we will have an error because the color class doesn't work with the primary swatch. But in the next videos I will I will show you how to work with it, but with other properties. So let's just return our code as it was. I think I will stop this video here and see you in the next video to talk about the team data class. So my friends, see you in the next video.